A side hustle is more than just a part-time job. It's a personal venture that allows you to pursue what you're passionate about while earning extra income. In today's economy, having a side hustle can significantly contribute to financial security and independence. It offers a safety net, reducing reliance on a single income source, and provides an opportunity to explore personal interests with financial benefits. Engaging in a side hustle not only bolsters your earning capacity, but also enhances skills that could be invaluable both in personal development and in the primary career domain. Finding the right side hustle begins with a deep dive into your personal skills and passions. It's essential to align this venture with activities that you are genuinely interested in to sustain motivation over time. Additionally, consider the flexibility of the hustle to fit it seamlessly into your existing schedule. Equally important is assessing the market demand for the services or products you intend to offer. A side hustle that resonates with market needs and personal interests is not only more likely to succeed, but also brings greater personal satisfaction and potential for growth. Starting a side hustle requires meticulous planning and a structured approach. Creating a comprehensive business plan is the first critical step, which should outline your business goals, strategies, and the path to profitability. It's vital to set achievable and measurable goals to track progress and make necessary adjustments. Equally important are the legal and financial preparations. Understanding the legalities, such as obtaining necessary licenses and adhering to regulations, ensures your side hustle operates within the bounds of the law. Managing finances meticulously, from initial expenses to potential revenues, will keep your side hustle on a firm financial footing and mitigate risks. Integrating a side hustle with your main job and personal life requires effective time management to maintain a healthy balance. The key is to allocate specific times for your side hustle activities, ensuring they do not clash with your primary job responsibilities or personal downtime. Utilizing tools like digital calendars or planners can help in scheduling and prioritizing tasks efficiently. It's equally important to set clear boundaries to prevent burnout. Remember, the goal of a side hustle is not only to generate extra income, but also to enrich your life without overwhelming it. Effectively marketing your side hustle is essential for growth and potential transition to a full-time business. Utilizing social media platforms allows you to reach a broader audience at a minimal cost. Engaging content and consistent interaction with your audience can boost your visibility. Additionally, leveraging word of mouth by encouraging satisfied customers to share their experiences can attract new clients. As your side hustle grows, consider the feasibility of scaling operations. Assess if you can sustain a larger business and decide if transitioning to full-time is a feasible and desirable objective, ensuring it aligns with your long-term career goals.